Hello everyone, welcome to Pixa Spark. In this tutorial, I'll show you on how to create a hero section for your homepage. So once we log on to your WordPress dashboard, we go ahead and click this option which says Add Page. Once we do that, we'll call this page as homepage. Keep this here, and next we'll publish this. Next, let's click on the option which says Edit with Elementor. Here we will add a container. Once we do that, make a few changes here. I'll make sure our height stays at 600. We'll be able to change this height later on in our layout section. Let's go to style and add a background right now. I'll choose an image. Okay, once we do that, let's go to position. Let's center this. Let's select no repeat and display size as cover. So we'll be able to see the entire image. Okay, once we do that, make sure that there's a background overlay. So whatever text we add later on will be visible. Here I'll select this color and change opacity to 0.85. Yeah, see, it's perfect right now. And once we do that, we'll add one more container, and here I'll again make some few changes. Keep the padding, go to advanced and keep the top padding as 300. Before I do that, I'll link these values, and then 300, maybe bottom as 50. Okay, then I'll add a heading. We will make this as heading 1, and I'll add this heading: welcome to Pixa Spark. Once I do that, I'll change the text color to white. Yeah. Okay, next thing we'll do is we'll add a text box, so, or text editor, and here we'll add whatever we would like. Say we are our design agency, for example. You can add whatever text you would like. Change the text color to white as well. And below that, we can add a button. And here we'll add whatever text we want. We'll say discover more. And here we can enter whatever link we would like. So If we want, we can mention our website or the below page where we can link the below section. If you would like, we can add whatever link we would like. Once I do that, go ahead and change the color of the button as well. I'll change the text color, and as you can see, we'll change this color to this particular color. Yeah. Once you do that, I think we wouldn't want more padding since I think it's already displays perfectly. The next thing I'll do is I'll go to page settings and I'll make sure that the title of this page stays hidden. As you can see, it displays here perfectly. I'll just close the sidebar. So this is how your hero background would display on your WordPress website. I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the next tutorial, I'll show you on how to create a privacy policy page and publish it on your WordPress website. So stay tuned. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.